This is how to connect your Android phone to the internet through a wired Ethernet. Your Android phone doesn't have a port for Ethernet or wired internet cable, but you could use a USB hub that has it. A USB-C hub, it's plugged in. So you see the light, the USB hub is plugged in, and this USB hub also has Ethernet. If I plug in the Ethernet cable to the USB hub connected to the phone, it will connect to the internet through wire. The USB hub is connected to my Android phone, and the USB hub is also connected to the internet through an Ethernet cable plugged in there, and you already see here. So make sure it's plugged in correctly, the light is on, and I will turn off the internet, the Wi-Fi. So you have here, so already you see there is that icon. That icon there, it shows you that you have an internet connection. And on Android 15 you see the internet settings like this. I can turn off the Wi-Fi. Mobile data is off, the Wi-Fi is off, but the Ethernet is on. Network and internet, you can check the internet settings for Ethernet. Here you see that the Ethernet is connected, Wi-Fi is off, and I can try to go to my website. My website is opening, the Wi-Fi is off, mobile data is off, the connection is done now through the Ethernet. And if I unplug the cable, if the cable is unplugged now, I try to refresh the page. It's already not loading. Cable is back. Refresh the page. It might take a few moments to recognize the Ethernet connection. And you see the icon there, and now it's working. This is a reliable way to connect your Android phone to the internet through an Ethernet cable, so you don't have to rely on the Wi-Fi signal or mobile data, especially if you are in a place you use your phone as a desktop computer. You can use your phone in a docking station and you need a reliable connection. The Ethernet works. You can connect your Android phone to the internet with an Ethernet cable. If this video helped you, leave a like below and also subscribe to the channel. It really helps this channel if you subscribe now, and you will learn how to use your devices. Thanks for watching.